Welcome to our journey through the heart of Nigeria, where the soul of the country lies in its wonderful villages, and the magic can be found in the traditional ways of food preparation. Join us today as we explore the vibrant, flavorful, and utterly unique world of Nigerian village cuisine. Our culinary adventure begins as the sun rises over the tranquil Nigerian countryside. The dawn paints the sky with hues of pinks and oranges, casting a soft glow over the rustic village life. Here, amid the swaying palm trees and the gentle rustling of the morning breeze, begins our exploration of the vibrant, flavorful world of Nigerian village cuisine. In these villages, food is more than just sustenance. It's a celebration of culture and community, a testament to the ingenuity of the local people. As the villagers awaken to the new day, they prepare for their routine, a routine deeply woven with the rhythms of nature. Livestock are tended to, fields are plowed, and fires are stoked, all in anticipation of the day's culinary creations. Every meal here is a symphony of fresh produce, vibrant spices, and traditional cooking techniques, each playing their part to create a melody of flavors that echo the village's rich heritage. The dawn in the village isn't just the start of a new day, it's the beginning of a culinary journey that spans generations. As we gather our ingredients, we're embraced by the warmth and hospitality of the local people. Our culinary journey starts at the local market. This bustling hub is the heart of the village, pulsating with life and color from the break of dawn. Here you'll find villagers trading a plethora of fresh produce, from sun-ripened tomatoes to leafy greens, plump yams to clusters of plantains. The air is perfumed with the scents of indigenous spices, their vibrant hues a feast for the eyes. Dried fish and fresh meats, an integral part of Nigerian cuisine, are also in plentiful supply. The variety is astounding, but what sets this market apart is the freshness and quality of these ingredients. They are the lifeblood of authentic Nigerian village cooking, lending their unique flavors and textures to each dish. The bountiful harvests are a testament to the villagers' deep connection with the land, their respect for nature's cycles, and their skill in nurturing these treasures from seed to plate. As we traverse through the crowded lanes, haggling over prices and exchanging friendly banter, we're not just gathering ingredients for our meal, we're immersing ourselves in a cultural experience, a slice of everyday Nigerian village life. In a typical village kitchen, you'll find open fires, clay pots, and age-old cooking techniques passed down through generations. Today, we're witnessing the making of a village favorite. Here in the heart of the village, the kitchen serves as the epicenter of culinary creativity. It's a place where traditions are preserved and passed down through generations, where the age-old wisdom of the ancestors continues to guide the hands of the present. From the open fires, which are lovingly tended, to the clay pots that bubble with enticing aromas, every element here tells a story. It's a story of resilience, resourcefulness, and a deep respect for the land that provides the ingredients for their meals. Now, our attention is drawn to the preparation of a local dish. The process is as captivating as it is complex, a delicate balance of flavors, textures, and colors. Each step is carried out with precision and patience, a testament to the culinary mastery of these village cooks. The dish of the day is jollof rice, a staple in Nigerian cuisine. It's a beautiful harmony of rice, tomatoes, onions, and spices, cooked slowly over an open fire. The result is a dish that's hearty, flavorful, and deeply satisfying. But the magic of this kitchen isn't just in the food, it's in the shared laughter, the exchanged stories, the collective wisdom passed down with every recipe. Cooking here is a communal activity, a time for sharing stories, laughter, and wisdom. It's a reminder that food isn't merely about sustenance, it's about connection, culture, and community. As the meal comes together, the air fills with enticing aromas. It's a sensory symphony of sizzling spices, simmering sauces, and the comforting warmth of freshly prepared bread. In this moment, we realize that the magic of Nigerian village cuisine isn't just in the taste. It's in the sounds, the smells, and the shared anticipation of a meal lovingly crafted. The feast is a vibrant tableau of mouth-watering dishes, each telling a story of the land, the people, and their traditions. It's a delicious testament to the community spirit, a culinary chorus where every ingredient, every dish, every hand that stirred the pot plays a part. Laughter rings out, stories are shared, and bonds are strengthened around this communal table. Food isn't merely consumed, it's experienced, savored, and celebrated as an integral part of Nigerian village life. As our day in this beautiful Nigerian village comes to an end, we are left with a deeper appreciation for the simple yet profound joys of traditional village life and the culinary magic it holds. As our day in this beautiful Nigerian village comes to an end, we're left with a deeper appreciation for the simple yet profound joys of traditional village life and the culinary magic it holds. We've journeyed through the local market, brimming with fresh, vibrant ingredients that are the heart of Nigerian cuisine. We've seen traditional cooking techniques handed down through generations, becoming a living testament to the culture's rich history. We've witnessed the preparation of a signature dish, a harmonious blend of flavors and textures that is as much an art as it is a science. And we've been part of a communal feast, where food serves as a bond, a celebration, and a slice of Nigerian soul. This is more than just a culinary experience, it's a journey into the heart and soul of Nigeria, a celebration of its culture, its people, and its incredible food. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey through Nigeria. Subscribe to the channel, share and comment.